So I got another video for you today. As you can see, I got a new bike. Sold my 2024 Kawasaki Z500 SE and picked up this 2014 Honda CB500X. And I want to make some mods to it already. So what we're going to do today is replace this stock Honda windscreen with this taller Puig touring windscreen. As you can see, it's quite the difference. So hopefully that'll help a lot with the wind. So first things first, remove the old screen, and I have a 5mm Allen key here, and we have these 4 bolts here that we want to take out. I like to loosen them like a zigzag pattern, just to keep stress off of like one side. Ooh, make sure you don't lose those washers like I just dropped there. Alright, that's step 1. Alright, then all you have to do is take the original hardware from the Honda screen, push it in there. I'm just going to hand snug these. For this part, it's a little bit tight to get your hand in there, so I feel like it's easiest to just pre-thread it. Through there. And just hand tighten it. And once you have them kind of hand tightened, kind of pull them to where you want them, and snug them up. I wouldn't over tighten them, just in case you crack the plastic or something. Just get them kind of snug. Alright. That's really all there is to it. Let's take it for a ride and see if it changes anything. Alright, so we're going to test this wind protection out. This is the stock screen here. And I can feel it almost like a naked bike. I ride these bikes to work every single day, unless it's raining. I have a pretty short commute, but I still want to have better wind protection. So I bought the hand guards and the windscreen, the Puig windscreen. And the hand guards haven't arrived yet, but the windscreen has. So I'm going to be putting that on today. Let's see how it sounds now. Still windy, still hear a lot of noise coming through my helmet. But if I crouch down, it's like almost silent. hopefully it reduces the noise in the microphone. I also got the light smoke windscreen, so hopefully it doesn't look too goofy. I like the way it looked on the outside better. So that's the Puig touring windscreen for the Honda CB500X. It helped with the wind, maybe not as significantly as people said online, but I do like it, so we'll be keeping it. But stay tuned, I'm going to have a couple installation videos coming up. I got to slip on the Leo Vinci GP Corsa, as well as some handguards. But yeah, stay tuned for the next video.